Good evening, everyone. Second storm pop up. There he is. And we're under a special weather statement, but not severe thunderstorm warning though. I need to check the rotation. Look at these two right here. Oh wow. Teeny bitty bit, but not good enough. Look at that. It's gonna take between these two to become a tornado. It's gonna take between these two to become a tornado. The red's pop, the green's start up. So almost. Possible tornado almost is and this is also a possible tornado might happen, but it did not happen though. You use a focal city, they can tell you the location. You can hear thunder in the background. Let me put it on the stick. Let me put it on this thing, because this camera's driving me nuts in my hand. Okay. Report not a severe storm, but it might be way on today. All you're just gonna see is this. We're like in the middle of it. More on the way, but it looks like this one's not gonna. It's going northeast. If I keep clicking too fast, it's gonna do that. I gotta do it slowly. There's a blue circle. Quarter size hell. This is penny size hell. There's more on the way on as well, but which way is pushing though? Okay, it's moving northeast. Okay, right south of here. What the hell? Which way am I facing? Oh, that's down there. What the heck am I doing one? That's east. Storm seems south. I just got home. I'm tired.
And you shouldn't be here.
Ouch. Watch it, man. Dog's face. But it's just getting louder and louder and louder. Well, it's getting light outside though, and it's quickly slow down the rain. But it's still thundering out there though. It stopped raining. Damn. But it's still thundering out there. too human, man. Okay, hold on. It's too human, man. 72 on 2 point. That's all. I think the other way stuff is just weighing, that's all it is. And
Mr. and Mrs. Hunt, this is your son, Mr. Bertram, yours.
there's more on the way though, but I don't know which way to do it, you know. Both of you, get out of my room. Bruce, Spark, out. Now. You can stay in here, but no. Fine, stay in here then. I don't believe my cat is primate again. She was outside all night last night. And now she's primate. You're in big trouble. Just you look at the video, say born kittens. That was from August the 1st. A year and 13 months later, it happened again. He's only a year old. 2 years actually. That's it. It's just faking the real one. Quarter size hell reported. This is penny size. Oh. The storm cell is expired. Sometimes storms are severe, sometimes it don't. It's not severe. So thank goodness. Thank goodness the storm's not severe. But you can still have thunder, but it's already past us already. What kind of report is it? I hell for then. Oh, that's not here, I'll do Russian. Which way this one's heading towards? Here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be like. It's a little bit up, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be about. Damn. About 10 o'clock. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. It's gonna be 10:30. Stay tuned for more updates.